My name is Landon Blatter, and I practice in Denver, Colorado. And I have a group of offices. I have a group practice that I started up about 5 years ago. We have 4 offices right now, Rocky Mountain Dental Partners, and I'm president of that. And that's been a wonderful experience to have 4 offices. It's helped me grow as a leader, and especially as a dentist and as a person. I graduated about in 2004, so about 7 years ago, coming up on 8 years ago, I guess now, and loving dentistry for sure. I'd always heard about Dawson in my occlusion courses, and when I heard that you guys were coming to Denver, I was like, I'm not missing that opportunity, and so signed up. And when I heard Dr. Cranham and Witt and Dr. Wilkerson talk that first time, I knew that this was something that felt good, and it felt right inside of me. I felt like this was extremely ethical and was just the best thing for patients. I think for the first time in my dental career, I really felt like I understood what centric relation was and how that was going to be beneficial for the longevity of my patient's dentition. And so when I heard them talk about that and realized that, hey, I think that it is something that I could actually do in my hands, it really made me rethink some of the stuff that I was doing and trying to figure out how to implement changes. Looking at, I see things now as a big picture versus one tooth. People come in with a toothache, and sure, it's a toothache, and I'll help them get out of pain, but I'm not just seeing it as a one-tooth problem anymore. This is a system, and I'm really working to understand the system and what causes the symptoms and signs that patients present with. And when I look at it more as a system now, and I'm seeing the whole thing, not just one tooth at a time, and that's made a huge difference in my comfort level that I'm doing the right thing for people. I'm enjoying it. I enjoy it. I love doing it. But you have to. Everybody has to develop something for themselves that works in their practice, and you can't just jump in and do it. Just change over your whole practice all at once to complete exams. Just do it one at a time, one a week, one a month, or whatever it needs to take. Just set your own vision for where your practice you want your practice to go, and you'll make it, and you'll get there, but it won't happen unless you set your own vision.